Hey guys, it's me, and my dad got a new Cadillac, 2004 Cadillac DeVille. So here's the interior. I really like it. It's so nice, leathery. Look how nice this thing is. I'm gonna show you it from the passenger side, and I don't know. Can I show you the trunk? I don't know. I'm gonna show you the trunk off. So I'll just show you the trunk. Cute. Okay, so here's the here's what it looks like when you can. Man, this is really comfortable. All right, so here's his. I'm gonna open this up, put that back in. Okay, put that back up. There we go. That's I don't think you would mind if I showed you the thing. Look how nice that thing looks. Like, so much room. Yeah. So that's my dad's car. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.